future of quantum workforce looks like me.
And me.
And me.
And me.
And me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in the quantum age.
Historically, throughout the United States, minority businesses, especially African American-owned businesses, have struggled to be on top of whatever revolution was taking place, whether it was the Industrial Revolution, whether it was the internet. We weren't seated at the table.
Our team is the first in the United States to focus on historically Black colleges and universities and minority business enterprises as the vehicle to introduce to the new workforce, the quantum age, the importance of where we can all become part of this evolving industry. Everyone, when they think of quantum, they often think, oh, I need a degree in it, I need to be a PhD, I need to be a math expert. Our team has come to tell you, you do not. You have a passion, a drive. That's what quantum literacy is all about.
I would have never thought in a million years that I would be a part of the National Quantum Literacy Network program. We are bringing other people to the table and we're trying to figure out how can they learn more about quantum.
We have come up with a project that brings together micro-credentialing certifications with artificial intelligence as a new way of bridging the learning gap.
Micro certification is nothing new. However, what we feel is though, our unique population needs to have specific skills and tools in order to go into the quantum workforce. But also, it has a technology piece, which is Quaint.
We're introducing into this new era of artificial intelligence and machine learning, this era of natural language processing. So we've come up with what we call Quaint. Quaint stands for Quantum Artificial Intelligence for Nascent Taxonomies. Why artificial intelligence? Because it brings in all the learning across the internet and everything to target specific learning to individuals and groups that have never been part of this space.
Our project is a solution to a specific problem, a solution that will involve a group of ROTC students actually getting the certification, having an understanding of Quaint, so that when they go out into the workforce, they will be better prepared.
So we were able to get a lot of input in developing our prototype and really kind of funneling our focus for the second phase on college students, particularly ROTC students at HBCUs, and creating a bridge program for those high school to college students. And then we have the expertise from my team in terms of the workforce development and education outreach components that we oversee here at the Mag Lab.
So we're developing an associate degree program in quantum literacy to give our students in particular the opportunity to get jobs in this field that will provide a pathway to bachelor's degrees and master's degrees in quantum literacy as they begin to be developed. And a lot of companies that we've spoken with, they say they're very interested in exploring and even exploring partnerships and even hiring students who graduate with an associate degree in quantum literacy.
The workforce dearth at this moment is critical. It's critical because we have to compete with those nations who have already put forth the funds, the resources. We're doing that with our micro-credentialing. By 2050, the underrepresented groups will represent well over 50% of the population. We're tapping into that.
Generation Z, I'm talking to you. You marched all over this nation. You made the change. Generation Z, it's time for you to make that quantum change, to leap forward, to make sure that your resources, your intellectual resources are at the table. Let's make sure that your workforce has work to do. Join the network.